Hi, this is Chris from Soda Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Suzuki Swift, stock reference number 5657. The shape runs from the 9th month 2004 through to the 2nd month 2011. It has an M15A 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. M15A 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage. Bonnet has 2 small dents, left power door mirror, left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left front door has 1 small dent, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre. We have a tidy rear bumper cover, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio buttons.